5S. Welcome to the world of 5S, where sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain are the 5 key steps to organization, efficiency, and productivity. Let's dive in and discover the magic of 5S. First up, sort. It's time to declutter and streamline your workspace. Identify the essential items and eliminate the unnecessary ones. This not only creates a tidy environment but also boosts your focus and efficiency. Now, let's set in order. Arrange your tools, equipment, and materials in their designated spots. Create a logical flow and make sure everything is easily accessible. Remember, a well-organized space reduces wasted time and effort. Next up, shine. Keep your workspace clean and well-maintained. This includes wiping down surfaces, dusting equipment, and keeping floors spotless. A clean environment not only looks great but also improves safety and overall performance. On to standardize. Develop consistent procedures for maintaining order and cleanliness. This means creating a schedule, assigning responsibilities, and establishing guidelines. Remember, consistency is the key to long-term success in 5S. Finally, sustain. Make the 5S principles a habit and part of your daily routine. Review and evaluate your progress regularly, and don't be afraid to make improvements. Embrace a culture of continuous improvement, and watch your productivity soar. And there you have it. The 5S methodology: sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. By adopting these principles, you can transform your workspace into an efficient, organized, and productive environment. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards a more effective and organized future with 5S.